Approximately 2,500 years ago, Pythagoras traveled from Samos to the Ganges to learn geometry. He would not have undertaken such an arduous journey if the Brahmin sign had already been established in Europe. This truly was a challenging quest in search of the mystery of numbers, driven by the strength of one's beliefs. Similarly, the Parcel Pod is not just a simple parcel box. It embodies the intensity of quality, master craftsmanship, and high expectation that we all seek.
Wah, dahsyat lah. Hebat. Okey, kita kasih ring. Okey. Okey, datang. Mau berani cakap. Aida macam mana? Siap?
Siap.
Each have our own understanding of what it takes to create the perfect mail and parcel box. Introducing Parcel Pods, all made in Malaysia, where excellence meets innovation.
Senang ke tak senang?
Senang.
Senang ah.